Welcome to a series of short videos on how to make the most of Grackle. This video is about how to install Grackle Docs. First of all, you need to open a Google Doc, and then from the Add-ons menu, you can click Get Add-ons, and that will take you into the Google Workspace Marketplace. From here in the search bar, you can type Grackle and press Enter, and you'll be presented with the Grackle Docs option. And when you click on that, you'll have a large bar here saying Install. So click on Install, and it's asking your permission to do so. You say yes, continue. And this will say to what account do you want this to be installed to? And this is my Google account here. So I'll say yes to that. And you'll need to say that you want Grackle Docs to have access to your account. So you would press the Allow button on this screen. With that done, Grackle Docs has been installed, so you can say done and clear this box, and also close down the Google Workspace Marketplace and go back to your original Google Doc. Now in this Google Doc, when you go to add-ons, you will now see the Grackle Docs add-on is installed, and you can click Launch. And when you launch that, the Grackle Docs sidebar opens up and will immediately start to scan through your document. And you can see that it has already found some errors and marked across, and some great things with a green tick. And that's how to install Grackle Docs. Thanks for listening.